So here is the Wix e-commerce website tutorial. First of all, you need to head over to the wix.com website. And as you can see, I'm already here. So on the home page, you will get to see all of these options on the top. Let's click on pricing to check out their plans. So on this page, you'll be able to view all the available plans that they offer. So go through each one and check whichever one that you like. After that, if you go over to the top right corner, you will get to see options to get started or log in. I will click on login, but if you don't have an account, click on get started. On this page, I will select continue with Google. You can choose between any of these options. Once done, just wait to get logged in to your account. Sometimes it may take a couple of seconds to load up. And once logged in, this here will be your dashboard. On the left panel, you can see all of these options and you will see multiple options on the top as well. You can explore them if you're new to Wix. Keep in mind that if you don't have a site already, you might have to create one. So now, let's go over to the left panel and click on the catalog option. After that, you'll be taken to this products page. I have some previous products over here, so I'll select them all and click on delete. Then I'll click delete again to confirm. For now, let's click on plus new product on the top right, then choose between any of these types like physical, digital, or print on demand. I will select digital. And as you can see, the product template has opened. On the top, you can put in a title for your product, for example, Turbo. And on the images and video section, you can click on add images. After that, from the left panel, you can use any of these options. I will select site files and click on upload media. From the left panel, you can choose between any of these options or click on upload from computer. Select the image and click on open. And as you can see, it's now being uploaded. Once it's done, you'll be able to view it here. Click on add to page on the bottom. And as you can see, the image has been added. So if you scroll down further, you will be able to set all of these information. For example, you can change the name and also add a ribbon. For example, I will type in new arrival. Then on the description section, you can put in a detailed description about your product. I will type in something random, but make sure to put in as much detail about the product as possible. That way, it will be easier for your customers to know about the product. Once done, you can select the entire text and use the options on the top to customize it further. You can also click on this attachment option and add a link. If you want, you can click on generate AI text if you want. After that, if you click on add an info section, you'll be able to add an additional section. Just put in the details and click on OK. Now, on the pricing section, just put in the price that you want to charge. So let's clear the field and put in our own price. For example, $20. You can also click on sale if you want to put it up for sale on your e-commerce site. So put in the discount percentage. After that, you will get to see your final sale price. Then you can put in the cost of your goods. After that, you'll be able to view your profit and margin right over here. Then we have custom text. If you click on add custom text field, you will get to see this option right here. You can set a character limit, then you can set it as mandatory field if you want. You can also click on add another to add more. After that, if you click on add options on the product options section, you can put in different variants for your product. Here, you can type in an option name. Then choose between list and color under show in product page as. After that, type in the choices for this option. And once you're done putting in all the choices and you're done with the setup of this page, click on add. This way, your product options will be added. Next, we have inventory and shipping. Here, you can enable track inventory. Then, put in the number of online store inventory, SKU, and shipping weight if you want. Set them up according to your product and preference. Now, let's scroll down further. Here, you can enable the pre-order option if you want. And once you're satisfied with the product listing, scroll up and click on Save on the top right corner. Since I didn't complete this field, I will delete it and click on Save again. After that, you will get to see a pop-up like this. From here, you can select options to promote your product. Just scroll through these options and choose the one that you want. For now, I'll cancel it. And as you can see, the new product has been added to the products page. Now, let's go ahead and click on Wix on the top left corner. You will then be taken to the home page or dashboard of Wix. From here, let's go over to the right side and click on the three dots. Now, from the options here, let's click on Create New Site on the bottom. As you can see, we're now being taken to the site creation page. You need to choose between Start Chat or Setup Without Chat. I will go with Setup Without Chat. And here, you need to select the type of website you want to create, for example, online store. And as you can see, the dashboard is now being prepared. Sometimes it may take a while, so give it some time to load up. After a while, you'll be taken to this page right here. Then, on this pop-up, you need to start by putting in the name for your store. For example, cars. I will click on Continue. Now select if you already have a store or not. Then click on Continue. Now, select what kind of product are you selling, such as physical and services. Then click Continue. Now select how are you offering your products, such as online store, in person. Click Continue again. Now click on Continue to Dashboard. You will then be taken to the dashboard once again. So from this page, you can connect a custom domain. So this way, you can put in your domain URL and continue with the next parts. Now, let's click on Design Site on the top right corner. Now choose between Generate a design with AI or Customize a template. I will click on Pick a template. And as you can see, we are now in the template page. From here, you can scroll through or use the search bar to search for a template that you want. You can also use these filters or different sections from which you can choose from. For example, e-commerce. Now go through the options available here and click on Edit on whichever one that you like. You will then be taken to the Wix editor page. From here, you can customize this website according to your preference. For example, if you select an image on the template and click on Change on the right panel, you will be able to view all of these options, such as Image. If you click on Image, you will get to see this pop up right here. You can choose from Wix Images or click on Upload Media. Now, click on Upload from Computer and choose the image that you want to add. Then, click on Open. And as you can see, the image is now being uploaded. Wait for it to get done. Now, just select the image and click on Change Background. And as you can see, the image has now been changed. This way, you can customize your website however you like. Now, let's click on the page option from the top left and select the product page. And as you can see, we're now redirected to the product page. And this right here is the product that we had added just before. This way, you will get to see all the products that you add right here on your web page. You can now select different sections of the product banner and customize it according to your preference. For example, let's click on Settings. Here, you can go to the page layout section and choose from any of these options. And as you can see, it's being changed in real time. On the left here, you have more options like Main, Settings, Text, Wish List, Design, and Upgrade. If you go over to Text, you can change the button text and other texts on the page. And if you go to Wish List and click on Add Wish List, a wish list option will be added to your product. This way, you can customize it however you want. Once you're done, you can click on Preview on the top right corner. After that, you'll be able to view your website in real time. This way, you can check it out thoroughly before publishing it. Once done, just click on Publish on the top right corner. And as you can see, your website is now being published. Once done, you will get to see a pop-up like this. You can just click on View Site to visit the website or click on Done. And that's it. That is Wix e-commerce website tutorial.